Hi everyone, I'm Chef Tony from HomeHeadChef, and today we're making French toast. With French toast, you want to use a slightly thicker bread and one that is a little bit more sweet, like a brioche or a cinnamon raisin or a Texas toast, which is what we're using today. So let's get cooking. For this recipe, you're going to need 2 eggs, 8 slices of Texas toast, 1 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of sugar, half of a teaspoon of cinnamon, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. First, we're going to get our eggs mixed up, going into a separate bowl. Just slightly whisk those up. Now we're going to go in with our milk. Get that incorporated. And with our sugar. Our vanilla. And our cinnamon. Be sure to scrape down the sides. We want to get that cinnamon incorporated very well. Preheated, we're going to spread some butter across. Just like so. And now with our bread, since it's slightly thicker, we're going to want to soak it for about 40 seconds or so. Not too long. It wasn't even 40 seconds, about 10. Straight on. We're going to let that cook for about 1.5 to 2 minutes before we flip it over. Now let's give this a flip. It's looking beautiful. We're going to let this cook for about another 1.5 to 2 minutes. Alright, it's been about 3 minutes. We just want to make sure that the egg dip is perfectly set and it's not undercooked. And these are looking perfect, so we're going to pull them aside. We're going to pan back up. We're going to plate this and get a taste of it. Alright, let's dive into this French toast. That's excellent. You really taste the cinnamon, the vanilla comes through. It's really good. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If so, go ahead and hit the thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.